All right, everyone, check it out. We have an important video to end the week here for the BTC chart. We're going to go over this dump we're experiencing right now. I'm going to show you why I am really interested in this level holding as support. We're going to go over the Elliott wave structure. Multiple reasons I'm going to give you why this looks beautiful to hold as support, what the implications of this are if we get a bounce here. I'm also going to show you a count to be aware of, a bearish count. We're going to look at it just so you are aware of it. It's not the count I am playing. Let me make that clear. I will be looking long here. I'm going to show you the trade setup I'm getting into. But you need to be aware of the bearish alternative that is clearly on the chart as well. We're going to get into this and jam through this so quickly, guys. This is Elliott wave theory. This is what I use, and this is my foundation upon which my trading house is built, baby, and I would have it no other way. If you don't trade using Elliott wave theory, you're trading blind, in my opinion. If you need to learn Elliott wave, if you have no clue where to start, there's a free Elliott wave bootcamp in the free Discord right here. It's a 3-hour-long course. I made it free for you guys. Take it, learn it, love it. It's pinned in the first comment down below. Just join the free Discord, and you will have the link right there. All right, let's get into it. Looking at the daily, I've shown you guys this chart multiple times. This is the structure I am playing. It might look crazy to you here, but really it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm looking at a finishing impulsive leg to the upside. I want to see some sideways consolidation action right here. You guys know we crush the consolidations. Back when we had this 7-month consolidation, the amount of money that was made in this range is ungodly. Go back and watch the videos. It was absurd. The best trading period in my career. And I'm hoping for another little period like that right here as well. We're going to go over the smaller time frame stuff as well, guys. So stick with me, and I'm going to show you how this is going to play out, in my opinion. But zooming out even further, I'm looking for, on a larger degree, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th of the 5th. I'm looking for this to finish up here, this entire bullish move. And then we can correct on a larger degree. I'm not going to go over that. That's very long term. Who cares about that right now, right? We're traders. This is what we do. We trade the smaller time frame stuff. A couple days we're in a trade, we get out. That's what we care about, the immediate term. All right. Let's hop over to the hourly chart. I'm going to show you why I think a bounce here is warranted. My last video I posted, I was very bullish. This move up is beautiful. I was very bullish on this move. And, you know, the holidays came. I kept the premium members updated. I gave them this structure on Christmas. I said, hey, watch out for this. This is going to dump pretty heavily right when we were at the highs. And it did follow through. I showed them it on ETH as well. Same structure, ETH and BTC. So they were aware that this was coming over in the premium channels and Discord. I try to keep you guys updated on YouTube best I can, but Discord is just easier for me to update, you know, real time for everyone. So what was I looking at here? Well, let me just get rid of our drawings. From the bottom, around 92K, we had an impulsive move up, upon which we had a correction, right? Now, this is where it's up to interpretation, but it looks good to me for multiple reasons that we're going to get a bounce here. A nice bounce that comes up and attacks all-time high again. And we'll go over those reasons. But in order to get a bounce here, this would be a correction. This would be a correction up and an impulsive leg down. So it's really just a flat correction. Correction down, correction up that broke the high. And an impulsive leg down. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our 5th leg. Looking for this to finish down here. If you pull fibs, pull the fib and noodles. There you go. The 1-to-1 is right here at this low. We could have a quick sweep below it. You do not want this low that was put in right back here at 92,300 to get broken for this to be valid. It's a very clear trade for me. 1-to-1 is where I'm firing long. That's what the plan is right now. We'll see how this shakes out. And stop loss underneath the low here at 92.3. If it comes below that, it will invalidate this ABC flat correction for more upside. And validation is the low. Very clear trade. Very simple. Now, We are going to go over the bearish scenario as well, because this can dump on us, guys. It can dump on us. You got to be aware of that, and you got to be aware of all situations that can occur when you're throwing these trades in. Nothing is 100% in trading, believe me. But why am I speculating a bounce in this region? Why am I bullish in this region? Why wouldn't they come and just take the lows out, Alex? Well, I'm glad you asked. Number one, if we're looking at the heat maps, you can see there is beautiful liquidity at 92K. Not really much below that on the 7-day. Let's come take that and let's go attack the highs. If we creep below this 92K, there's a bunch of liquidity on the monthly down lower and literally sub 80K. I would hate for it to break and start attacking this way lower liquidity. But we're going to go over that count as well. I want to come up and eat this stuff before we start hitting to the downside, guys. I do. If we skip over to Ethereum really quick, also Ethereum is looking like it wants to bounce in this region, and it is more, there's more conviction in its wave structure. Unlike Bitcoin, it did not take out this high. So we have an impulsive leg down, a correction up of this move, and we are impulsing to the downside. This is a clear ABC. There's no flat interpretation about it. There's no, hey, we have an ABC here, let's be careful, which we're going to go over that on BTC, because this could be, if it was an ABC here, that would mean, hey, correction finished, it's coming down, we're taking out these lows. But Ethereum looks like it's an impulsive structure from the low here at 3,100, and we have just corrected, and we're in the middle of a correction of that move. Let's come down to the 1-to-1 like BTC. Let's take out this low briefly. That would be cute, right? And then let's pump up out of here. That's our finished correction. Let's go. Let's go. So Ethereum makes me feel more confident in Bitcoin structure being a flat correction, because I can't get a solid ABC finished here. It just doesn't hit fib targets. It didn't take this high out right here. So if I'm only looking at Ethereum, hey, we got an impulse off the bottom. We're correcting down, and we're going to start pushing up. Sorry about this chaoticness, guys. I'm just trying to get this out as quick as I can to you. Now, if I pull the fibs here on BTC, boom, the 1-to-1 comes in at 92,900. That's where I'm targeting. We're going to go over the bearish structure as well, guys. If you guys are bearish, this is going to be how it will play out for you. And if you are bullish with me, you need to be aware of this, guys. You need to be aware of this. Real quick, going into 2025, guys, it's going to be a massive year for me. I know that. Is it going to be a massive year for you? That is up to you. We leverage trade this shit over on Blowfin. No KYC, no VPN. You can trade it in US and Canada. And there is a couple days left on this campaign for the New Year's, guys. You need to take advantage of this. It's good through January 6th. Sign up with the link below. It's the Chart Junkies link. This is the exclusive campaign. It's a ladder initial deposit bonuses. These bonuses are crazy, guys, all the way up to 100K. Take advantage of this now if you want to start trading, if you want to switch exchanges. I trust Blowfin with all my heart. I stand by them. This is what I trade on. This is what everyone trades on now for their no KYC exchange. Pin in the first comment down below is the link, or use code ChartJunkies to get access to that additional initial deposit ladder bonus. It is crazy. Take advantage of it through January 6th. All right. Now, once we come down to 92K, I love for this to be a 1 into a 2. Let's go 3, 4, 5. Let's hit up to like 115, 118, somewhere up in here. Let's put in this structure, guys. You know, time will tell. You know, we'll see how this plays out. If I happen along here, we'll see how this kind of pans out as we impulse to the upside, if we impulse to the upside. But this is what I'm playing right now with the structure that we have. And I'm looking at a flat correction here, finished. Very complex flat correction, boom, finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Now, what's the bearish count, Alex? What's the bearish count? Well, the way this has panned out just for BTC, again, on Ethereum, it looks very good. Here, let me zoom out. This does not look like a finished correction. On BTC, this can be a finished correction, right? So it's up to interpretation. But looking at Ethereum, no way, Jose. No way, Jose. We're coming down, correcting here, and then we're pushing up again, right? If I'm only looking at Ethereum. But for BTC, this can be, if I pull fibs on our move, we basically hit the 1-to-1. Depending on how you pull the fibs, you can get it more accurate. It's the 1-to-1. This can be a finished ABC right here. Meets the criteria. We could have just simply corrected this down move right there. ABC, done. And we're going to start boom, 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 boom. Impulsing down towards 85K, 82K to at least put in an ABC to the downside before we go attack the highs again. That's the bearish look, guys. That is the bearish look. If you pull fibs right here, the 1-to-1 sitting at 85K, 1272s around 82K. So these are all targets. We could have just put in a 1-2. We are starting our massive impulsive leg to the downside. 3, 4, 5. I would be looking for a 5-wave structure. A 5-wave structure. All right, zoomed in. If I'm looking for a bounce, I'm very hesitant because this correction would be my wave 4. This is a very extended correction compared to our 1-2. 1, 2, 3, extended, 4 into 5. It looks a little funky to me. It looks a little funky, but I'm just chalking it up to, it is what it is. Let's put in a 5-wave structure down to 92.5K, somewhere in here, 93K, and let's have a bounce off of this support. This is what I'm playing, guys. You just need to be aware we can have an ABC here, and we could have corrected this initial leg down. We're pushing down. Looking at the daily chart, you guys know I want to see this RSI breakdown of the RSI trend line retested. I want to see this retested. Let's start pushing up, retest this. Let's take out the freaking all-time high again. On this retest, let's put in some divergence and let's correct on a larger degree. This is where my money is made, guys. Lord willing, we get some action like this and I can play the ups and downs like an absolute G. If you've been around this channel for a while, you know this is where I excel. You know this is my bread and butter because Elliott Wave literally maps it out for me. All right. I will keep you guys posted. This weekend we'll throw up a video for you as well. Check out Discord. Check out Blowfin. I'll see you guys in the next video. Trade safe. I love you. Bye.